Hi Global Class, welcome to Mr. Germain's Canvas course. We're getting ready to go over Week 5's module, which is titled Nationalism. Same similar type of assignments. You're going to have two different documents that you have to complete. The first one is going to be a reading and a questionnaire. So in previous videos we discussed opening up the reading and then dragging that document to one side of the computer, so that way we can also open up the questionnaire. Make sure to enable editing so you can type within the document and drag it to the other side. This reading is going to be able to help you answer the following questions, so please make sure that you're taking the time to look back at the reading to find your answers. Your reading is going to focus on nationalism. It talks about the force of nationalism in history, the spread of nationalism, and the impact of nationalism, both positive and negative. If you are having any difficulty with the reading or the questions, please make sure you're reaching out to ask. Once you're finished with the questions, save the document to your computer and then upload to Canvas. And that will be assignment number 1 from your Week 5 module. Assignment number 2 is going to be that nationalism document question. If you're looking for sentence starters to help you out, below the submission button is going to be a link to a Word document that you can take out of Canvas. And you're also going to do the same thing like you did before. You're going to click on Enable Editing. And in this example, you're given a document at the top and you're responding to 4 questions based off of this document. In each one of the questions, I have bolded and underlined what it is that I'm asking you to look for, and if you need a little bit of extra guidance, I tell you in parentheses what it is that I'm trying to get you to focus in on. Each box contains a sentence starter. You're going to finish it. Be careful on question number 4. You have to pick a side. Either you think this source is believable because, or you think this source is not believable, and then tell me why. Once you have saved this document to your desktop, make sure you go back to the home page and you're going to go and click on the nationalism document question where it contains the number of points, and you're going to submit under that section. This is your Week 5 module, so if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out and let me know.